Hello lovelies, this is a French knot. It's perfect for filling things. You could put any old shape, fill it with some French knots and people will think you're an expert embroiderer in no time. When you're first doing the French knot, it's really helpful to go slowly. Bring your needle up through the fabric. Take the thread nearest to the fabric and wrap it around your needle once or twice or 3 times, as many times as you like. And then put your needle back down through the fabric. You can hold that knot in place with your forefinger if that helps. So let's do that one more time. Bring your needle up through the fabric. And you're going to take the thread that's nearest to the fabric and wrap that around your needle. Like I said, once, twice, 3 times, then back down through the fabric. You can either go back down through the hole you just came up through or right next to it. That might help a little in the beginning stages of learning the French knot. And then pull your needle through. That's your French knot. Happy stitching.